Are MetaMask gas fees too high? You're not alone. Ethereum fees can make even small transactions expensive. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce gas fees and save money. Gas fees are the cost of processing transactions on the Ethereum network. When the network is busy, fees increase because users compete to get transactions processed faster. Before sending any transaction, always check current gas fees. Tools like Etherscan can show you if fees are high or low. Gas fees are usually lower during off-peak hours, such as weekends or late at night. Avoid sending transactions when the network is busy. When sending a transaction in MetaMask, click Edit on the gas fee section. You'll see options like Low, Market, and Aggressive. Choosing a lower option can reduce fees, but may take longer. You can also manually set gas fees using advanced settings. Lowering the gas price can save money, but setting it too low may delay or fail your transaction. A major way to reduce fees is by using Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum, Optimism, or Polygon. These networks offer much lower fees than Ethereum mainnet. If you're sending tokens to multiple wallets, doing it one by one can increase your total gas costs. Batching transactions using the MyCryptoView AI multisender can reduce the number of transactions and help save on fees. You'll find the link in the description. Failed transactions still cost gas. Always double-check wallet addresses, amounts, and network before confirming. Different transactions use different amounts of gas. Sending ERC20 tokens often costs more than sending ETH. To reduce gas fees on MetaMask, check gas prices. Send during low activity. Adjust gas settings. Use Layer 2 networks. Batch transactions. Avoid failed transactions. Reducing gas fees is all about timing and using the right tools. If this video helped, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and tips.